check out this brand new 2025 875M Gator. First off, you've got a class-leading dump bed on this guy. Class leading. So, integrated tailgate handle, very automotive style. Pretty significant upgrade in the back end of this guy. This cargo box being a lot wider, a lot taller, redesigned flush back end with wonderful LED lighting package on the back. So I've got maximum visibility. Really cool design with the Gator just embossed into the back of this thing. This one's got the extended package on it. So we've got a little bit of extra guard on the top. And then also you're gonna see a 12-volt plug in the back of this thing. So I can hook up things like sprayers or spreaders if I'm gonna go ahead and spread some salt, anything like that. And then of course I've got some extra guards on the back. So we've outfitted this one with some extra guarding and extra cladding. They've upgraded the air intake on this. So I've got better airflow and a little bit easier access to my air filter, which is great. On the other side, you've got a similar setup. That one is to cool the CVT transmission belt. Everybody knows that you got to really have a nice cool area for that belt to operate and function properly. So they've got some improved cooling on that as well. Hidden underneath here, we've got an improved exhaust system. Exhaust systems seem to be a little quieter. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to get it out and test it on when we take this out and test some of the other features on it. Talking about the inside of this guy, we've got premium upgraded vinyl seating. It's got a cut and sew pattern on it. I really like that they've embossed the Gator name right onto the seat. It looks just a lot more high-end than the previous years. Still got that integrated cargo box underneath. Again, not a lot of change on the dash. But you're gonna see a new switch button up here. That's gonna have the ability to turn on and off my 12-volt plug right here in the back. I'll be able to turn on my sprayers or my spreaders right from inside my cab. HVAC cab on this guy. So this is an 875M. So this one does have the HVAC cab integrated into it. So I've got heating and air conditioning. Just a nice place to spend your day processing materials, doing my ag tasks, or just taking it out for a nice quick spin around the property. That wonderful upgraded suspension, they've retuned it a bit on the suspension, so I haven't actually felt the difference quite yet, but they've retuned that suspension. We will be putting that to the test here in the near future. Let's talk about the ag technology that comes incorporated into these Gators. So we ordered this one with some of the telematic features. It's gonna have that StarFire receiver on the top of it. I've got a nice screen inside so I can control it. And then we're gonna show you some of those features in some future videos. I've got that AutoTrac available in this machine. Let's talk about the 875M. So let's talk about that nomenclature and what that means. So the 8 series, this means it's a full-size Gator. So I'm getting that full-size capacities. 3 people can fit in the cab of this guy. I've got the big cargo box. I've got the big engine. That 7 is gonna be the diesel version of this. If you saw a 4 on there, that would be the gas version. 7 is gonna be the diesel version. M's gonna mean you're gonna have power steering right out of the gate. You're gonna have some of those nice upgraded features that you're gonna get. So we've got the E's, the M's, and the R's. If you step up into the R, you're gonna get, even more premium features. Thanks for joining us on today's Toolkit. Today, I loved going over this 875M with you. I look forward to a lot of future videos that include this machine. So we're gonna get into the AutoTrac features. We're gonna get into some of that bigger ag stuff. Stay tuned for more of that great content. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook. We're trying to build this community so we can bring more great features to you. Thanks again for joining us on Toolkit. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. I hope you find this content helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below.